Today we're talking about the Soul Blooming palette. As you can see, the flowers are shiny and the background is matte. The outside is like a nice presentation of how the shades look like on the inside. And I'm hoping I will not blind you guys with the mirror. Oop. Just like that. As you can see, it has like a nice periwinkle shade here. Has like a nice duochrome. It's like a light blue, purple, pink, green duochrome. I get that multi-dimensional, I guess. And then like a dark blue with light blue glitter. This one is like a rose gold shade, but with like light green glitters. And this one is very pretty. This is like my favorite shade. It's more like a topper glitter shade. It's very flaky, but it's nice if you just grab it with your finger and tap it on your eyelids. It's like a gold, rose gold, pinky orangey shade. It's like really pretty unique, I guess. And then these ones are just shimmers. The rose gold with pink base and the brown with like gold, rose gold base glitters. As you can see, what I've heard is that the matte formula of this remind people of the Anastasia palettes, but I don't have that one. I have the Urban Decay Naked Cherry, and I have the Tarte Toasted, and the Tarte in Bloom. The pigmentation and the formula remind me kind of the Urban Decay one. Urban Decay is very soft, I guess, but this one is more creamy, not so powdery. So yeah, so I'm just going to show you guys how I do my eye look with this. So I will use the shade Chamomile. It's the shade. It's a little bit powdery. Has a little bit of kickback. It's not like really bad or anything. And just put that in the crease, just to have like a nice transition. Like that. Then I'll go in with Chia. This shade. Yeah. Just apply it, I guess, more under where you just put chamomile, or on top a little bit too. Oh, and by the way, I'm just using a regular blender. It's the Fluffy Blender 6700 from Boozyshop. That's like a Dutch makeup store. I think I'm going to do one eye for now, just to spare the amount of filming that I'm doing. Yeah, that's how it looks like now. And then I'm grabbing a more precise brush. This is the Boozyshop Large Tapered Blender 6500. It's not that tapered, I guess, but it's a bit more precise on my eyes. And I'm taking Bolero, the purple, pink shade. And I'm just putting that more towards the outer corner and in my socket of the eye. Take your time with blending, of course. That's so important with eyeshadow. Just taking a little bit more right now. Just like that. And then, what I'll do is I'm grabbing a shader brush. I don't know if it's eyeshadow, but I think it's like a shader brush. And I'm going to apply this shade. Oh my gosh, it's dark. Climbing Rose, the pinky shimmery shade, onto the eyelid on the first part, only till here. For the outer corner, I'm going to use Garçon. I think it's, yeah, it's French. So it's like a brown, darker brown shade. I'm going to put it on in the corner. I'm going to mesh them two together. Just flipping to the pink side and then to the brown side. And they'll just mesh together, as you can see. That's how it looks like now. And then I'll use my blender that I use for the pink shade. Just blend it with the brown shade more. Just using circular motions to really blend it in. You can see. It's a little bit hard to see on camera, maybe. Just like that. And then what I'll do is just grab my ring finger and go in Honey Drip, the shade. It's like a really pretty shade, to be honest. It's like so reflective. I hope it translates on camera, but it's so reflective. And I think it's meant to be a topper shade. It's not meant to be like all over the eyelids because it's pretty glittery and flaky. But it has a lot of impact, so I don't mind that it's flaky if it's just a topper shade, you know? Because you're only applying it with your ring finger usually. That's how it is right now. Yes, so now I'm just going to grab the fluffy blender brush and going in with the chamomile shade again. Just blend everything in. Get a seamless blend. Just like that. So that is the top lid done. Now I'm just going to take my Kiko Milano Lasting Precision Automatic Eyeliner and Kohl. That's a mouthful, and it's in a shade 7. It's just a really bright blue shade. It's really nice for in the waterline. So I'm just going to take this and put this on the waterline. Okay, anyways, that's that. As you can see, I'm taking a teeny tiny brush from Real Techniques. It's the Precision Smudge Brush. I'm going to take my W7 Shade Swap Makeup Color Swapper. It's just like a sponge thing that you can just do this and semi-clean for using other colors. Taking it on the brush and just going like the 2/3 of my eye, under eye. Classic eyeshadow brush 201. I'm going in. Oh, sorry, I just took the shade Anemone for the bottom lash line. Now I'm taking Flowery. Take a little bit, tap a little up if you don't need much. So, and I'm going to underneath the Anemone shade. Just blend it in a little bit by bit. And now I'm going back in with anemone. Because of my terry lash line, it's not grabbing all the well. So just going back in. That looks really better. And then I'm going in with flowery again. Basically, just smudging it out, as you can see. And then I'm going to take the shade Garden Gate, the very pretty duochrome shade, on a tiny detailing brush. I've got to find it. And using the color swap thing again. This is the Real Techniques detailer brush. So going in with a shade. And I'm putting it on the beginning of the inner part. Pretty, right? And then, as the last step, I'm going in with Philosophy, forming in the corners with the same detail brush. It's really a pretty shade. Going to mesh it in with the top lid a little bit. And that's it. And then what I also did is put a eyeliner on and mascara, of course. So I'm just going to do that off camera quick, and I'll be right back with both of them done. So this is the final look. Just going to scooch up closer. The eyeliner is a little bit jaggedy. Had some trouble with that. But anyways, I used my waterproof Kiko mascara. It's really nice. The Unforgettable one. And I also used my Catrice Brush Ink Tattoo Liner. Does that sound familiar to you? Anyways, I'm just going to insert pics here. My final thoughts. I've been using this quite a lot because of quarantine. I've been using a lot of more colorful colors, just experimenting, just playing around, because nobody's going to see me. And I must say, I'm so glad I bought this. It is not as expensive as like Urban Decay or Anastasia, but it is €35 and €90. So I think it's about $40, I think, if you convert it. But I think it's worth it. It's like so pretty. You can do so much neutral looks. I haven't used these two browns yet. The other shades I've all used in my eye looks. But you can just do a very pink look, a very peachy look, a very like whimsical, very bluish look. You can do a very smoky brown look. You can do a lot with this. So I would definitely say that this is like my favorite Nabla palette. I don't have a lot. I only have the Nabla Cutie palette, but is a kind of a different formula, but maybe I'll compare those two if you want me to. Yeah, I am very glad that I bought this, and I shall see you in my next video. If you have any ideas of what you want to see, just comment down below. If anyone is watching. Oh, that's so sad. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.